Hi friends, in this video I am going to check this KABEER art cutter. This includes 10 blades. This has auto locking mechanism. Let me open this packet. See, this is the MRP of this product. See, this is a cutter. So we can press here, then push, again press and pull. The quality is very good. You can see, looks like strong. Okay. We also get this 10 blades. See, this is a blades. So let me test this cutter. See, let me try to cut this cardboard. See, this is a very good cutter. Okay. Next I will show you how to replace the blade. So we can remove this part. See, then we can press here and we can take this blade outside. Then you can put new blade like this. Then you can insert. Then close this back side. Done. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.